Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Today I will tell you syllabus. I'll write for you that PT2 and term 2 included term 2. So please, if you want, you can write, and if you don't want, you can also tick it from your book, from Marigold and chapter number and also grammar. From Marigold, the syllabus I have given it in ePortal. Besides that, again I am telling the story of the road. Next, little tiger, big tiger. Then my silly sister. Please don't, if you have downloaded, so no problem, beta. So those who are not writing or they cannot open the ePortal, for there. My silly sister. Don't tell. He is my brother. How creatures move. And the sheep of the desert. And grammar, chapter number 15 to chapter number 29, but chapter number 28, understanding words are not there. Words are not there in your syllabus. So those who are not written, please write there. And now we can go to the revision from your preposition, conjunction, and also interjection. And at the same time from textbook also. So, if you want, you can write. If you don't want, no need to write. Shubhashree. So, we can go to the MCQ questions from your grammar book. Okay, last day I have discussed the adverbs and how the MCQ will come, that also I have told. Chapter number 31 is there, but one thing, actually the MCQ question is there, no, a composition I have written. Okay, that you know that my favorite character, one of my favorite characters I have written, but that for your practice. Okay, MCQ question will be coming, so how the composition will come. So one thing, grammar, from that how the question will come from prepositions. So prepositions, I am giving some question from prepositions, you can answer me. The tree is dash the ground. If I am giving option for number 2 in, number 3 after, so please tell the answer. On the ground. Okay, so yes, Tom and Jerry adventures I am not given, beta, Shouris. I am given that is my favorite character. You can write your favorite character. Okay. So here in number 2, if I am telling there is no life dash the moon. So we can tell on number 2 for number 3 up. So Triparna, first question I have not given that on, for in after in it is answer. Next one on, yes, there is no life on the moon. Number 3. So if I am telling that an artist paints dash a brush. So please tell the preposition. I am not giving the options. Triparna, write that first. With, very good. So paints with a brush. So these type of prepositions will come. So if I am asking that also, number 4, I bought a toy dash the market. So number 1 for, number 2 from, number 3 up. So please tell me from. Yes, very good. So it is like this. Prepositions. Next we can go to the conjunction. How the question will come. Shubhasri, no page number. Only revision classes is there. So please listen to me very carefully. Number 1, conjunction. I am the chapter from the conjunction. Conjunctions, 4 conjunctions you are having: and, but, or, because. And 2 ideas. We are just giving 2 ideas we are joining. So, and 2 ideas. Okay. But, opposite idea. Or only 2 ideas we have given, but or we will give. And because some reason. So if I am asking question by like this, I bought a pen dash a pencil. So please write the answer. Number 1, I can give but, because. Number 3, and. Number 2, yes. Number 2, I ran fast dash I missed the bus. I missed the bus. So which preposition, which conjunction will I use? I am not giving option. Yes, Shouris has given that. So but I ran fast, but I missed the bus. Why Tawfiq, Wahidisha is there, Snehanjana is there? Please answer. Everybody should answer. Okay. So number 3, I am telling that I respect him dash he is very honest. So conjunction please. Because he is very honest. Yes, Shubhasri. Very good. Like this type of question will come. Okay. Next, we can go to the interjection. we can go to the interjection. Interjections, if I am telling then identify the interjection. Interjection. Identify the interjection. One question will be given like this: alas, we lost the match. So here, which one is interjection? Wahid, please give answer. Srijita is there. Yes, you are answering. That's why I am. Alas, yes. And one thing, interjection, I am telling that interjections are that parts of speech, means such word we are expressing our sudden feeling. Okay. Not only that, sudden feeling, and also we should give exclamation marks. Okay, we should give exclamation mark. Please, exclamation mark. So, like this, hooray. Hooray after exclamation, we won the match. Bravo, well done. So, bravo is expressing that appreciation, means some praise. So, that is called interjections. Next, we can also do this can, cannot, should not. That also fill in the blanks we can do. Like this, the rabbit dash hop, but the tortoise dash hop. So option will be there. Number 1, should, not, should. Number 2, can, cannot. Number 3, can, should. So please tell can, cannot. Yes, Nehanjana has given the answer. Everybody you know that. So number 2 will be correct. So please practice like this. And also one thing, read thoroughly from your text also. So can, cannot, and also that should not. There also you can get questions. Next, that full form and short form. Won't. 2, 3 full form like this. Won't. What is the full form? Didn't. Please tell that. Won't and didn't. Will not. Shubhasri has written. Very good. Triparna also. Will not. Everybody you know that. I know that. Will not. And it is did not. So all these are like this. Okay. This type of question will come from your book. And one thing, last I told, identify the adverbs also will come. And if I am telling that identify the parts of speech. Parts of speech means that is noun, pronoun, adverb, adjectives, verb. That is also in your book. Page number 83 is there. So please practice. And from your textbook, I am just telling that all this chapter, like the sheep of the desert, if I am asking question that how many days the camel can, or how many weeks camel can store his food in his stomach, in his hump. How many week? 2 weeks. Very good. 15 days. Okay. So that is the answer. So if I am telling what does the camel eat in the desert? That leaves, thorny bushes, or meat or fish. So please tell the answer. thorny bushes. Thorns or thorny bushes. Yes, that we can do. And next also meaning. We can ask also meaning. Okay, like this, twitched. 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 What is the meaning of twitched? Sudden or moved by sudden jerking. Moved by sudden jerking. Okay, moved by sudden jerking. Please remember this. So, moved by sudden jerking. What is the meaning of silly? What is the meaning of giant? Silly means childish or foolish. Giant means very big. So, all these types of meaning, whatever I have written in your class, that will come. Yes, giant means very big. Okay, so who are they and them in the poem? Don't tell. Do you know that? Very big. Okay, let it be. But now answer me. Who are they and them in the poem? Don't tell. Parents, no, parents and elders. Parents, not only parents, the elders also. Parents and elders. Yes, that is enough. Family members, not all the family members. If the sister is there, they cannot tell that, don't tell. Yes, so parents and elders. Next, if I am asking that, what is the name of the sister who is carrying her brother? Do you know that? Meena, yes, very good. How old is his brother? How old is his brother? 4 years old. So, all this type of question will come. So, please read the books thoroughly. You will get the question answer very nice. And also, if you are having any problem, please ask me now, and also you can ask me in my e-portal. But remember that syllabus I have given also e-portal, now also I have written, so read from this. Let me see who are in my class. Shattik, Sheikh Wahid Isha, Snehanjana Paja, Shohana Khantkar, Shouri Hajra, Shouri Mondal, Shostav Ghosh, Srijita Mitra, Shubhashree Karmakar, Sucheta Sinha, Triparna Chatterjee. Okay, those who are present, please write P. Okay, thank you, beta. Have a nice day.